OneSite Leasing and Rents, text messaging. In this video, we will learn how to send the opt-in request, how to message your residents, where to view text messages, and adding the text message snapshot to the Today page. How to opt in. You must have received the person's consent to communicate via text before you send the opt-in text message. The contact must have a cell phone number saved in OneSite. You are limited to 160 characters for messaging. If the contact opts in by replying yes, the system unlocks the widget and the property can send and receive text messages until the person opts out by replying stop. If the contact replies but does not opt in, the property can send up to 2 text messages before the system locks the widget again. If the contact sends another text, the widget sends a second opt-in message and unlocks the texting area so the property can reply to the contact's question. After sending the message, the widget locks again. This continues each time the non-opted-in contact texts the property. For more information, please visit realpagelearning.com/V5 or click the Product Learning Portal tile in the unified platform. Once inside, search the Learning Catalog for Class LR19_1500 OneSite Leasing and Rents text messaging. From the resident page, click Send Text Message. Click on the cell phone number. Click Yes, then click Send. Once you have permission to text with your recipient, the SMS inbox within the Activity tab lets you view and manage the account's texting history. Alternatively, you can click Send Text Message from the Actions section on the left-hand side. An easy way to manage your text messages is by adding the text message snapshot to your Today page. To do this, click Customize, open the drop-down, select Residents. Text messages will be an option in the drop-down. Drag and drop to your workspace. Save your changes. For each contact who has texting history, the snapshot lists the contact name, the contact type, the cell number, and the date and time of the last message.